Hey there guys, I'm back again, and as you guys can probably tell, y'all are really far away. Like, there's probably half a meter between us. If I want to click on the camera, I actually have to walk across the table and click it on and off. That's how far you guys are. And the reason for that is that my chairs and my new table is finally here, and I did not realize just how big that table was gonna be. Of course I saw it in the store, and you know, I measured and everything fits and it's great, but it's like huge. And now it's 2 meters, and I can actually open it up, slide it even further to 2.5 meters. And I got these beautiful leather chairs here. I'm so freaking happy that my new table and chairs are finally here. It took me months. But they're here. I am a little bit upset with the company because they damaged the table. As you can see, this is like a high shine, and it's damaged on 2 sides over there, and one clip that clips like the 2 sections together is broken as well. But I can't afford to wait months, so I kind of want my money back because I don't think it's okay. This table was, I'm not gonna name prices because I'm not like, oh, look at me, I got expensive stuff. I don't want to be like that, but I could have bought a car, so a used car, but still, I could have bought a car for the price, okay? So I might have to contact the company because I'm not happy with the way things went, but we got clearly a new place to sit, well, a new place, new chairs, and a new table. That's, by the way, not what I'm talking about. I've been yapping for 3 minutes about a table and chairs. I'm talking today with you guys about the Styletone box that just arrived, and we're gonna open that little sucker up. Wow, very sealed. Okay, what the hell? How the hell am I gonna open this? This is, okay, Styletone, do you guys have like a better option for me to open this? Because it's gonna take me quite a while to open it, so give me a minute. Whoa, okay, I don't know what is up with the box, but look at this. I literally had to demolish the box to be able to get it open. This is what is on the inside, so we're gonna throw away the box. And then this is the little booklet, and we got a little satchel and all of the stuff in here. I'm afraid to scratch the table because it's like brand new, so I'm just gonna put it over here. I got like this foam stuff over here that's, it's a new table, okay? It doesn't need to, be ruined immediately. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. Are these the same? Cocoa Star Princess Eye Patch. Let's just start with that. Hydrogel eye patches. Hydrogel, it's a pair and it's a pair. Yeah, they're exactly the same. So we didn't get just 1, but we got 2, which I'm really, really happy and excited about. Wow, it's gonna be tough to show you guys what something looks like because this is the furthest I can do. Oh, well. So hopefully you guys are able to see that. I'm sorry, but I just can't freaking reach like the screen anymore. Really hard. I might have to figure out something else when it comes to filming. Anyway, oh, it's number 1. Okay, so yeah, we got it twice. It's the Cocoa Star Princess Eye Patches. It looks really cool. They're made in Korea, and they cost €2.95 like a pair. So twice that price, which is, let's say, $3 to keep it easy. So basically kind of $6. Moving on to another satchel from Secret, with like Secret. This is minerals from the Dead Sea, and this is the mineral rich body mud. Oh, okay, mud from the Dead Sea. That is so freaking cool. Oh, it feels so, how can I say this? You kind of want to squeeze it all of the time. It feels so freaking good. Okay, so like I said, can't really reach further, but this is what that little fella looks like. I can't even look in the viewfinder if it's like clear or not because I just simply can't see it. Let's look it up in the booklet. It's, oh, there we go. It's number 3. It is the Secret, like Secret Spa, and it costs 16 euros and, what the, 16 euros 95 cents? I do know that, like, Styletone always has full sizes. You gotta be kidding me. This is a full size. This, you pay 17 bucks for this? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm just gonna be honest. I kind of don't believe that. I just don't believe that this is a full size and it's 17 bucks. Like, wait. Yeah. I mean, Styletone is known for having at least five full-size items in the box at all times. I'm sorry, I just don't believe this. I can't believe that this is a full size. Like, it should come in, like, I don't know, like a pot or a tube or something. I don't know. I do know Styletone did change, so they're more expensive now, which I'm really honestly bothered by. But I don't know if their policy of like at least 5 full-size items has changed. I don't think it has, but I don't know. Look, you guys make up your own mind. I'm definitely going to Google this and see whether or not this is true, because there is, how much is in here? 100 grams, 3.5 ounces. I don't know if that's worth 17 bucks. Look, I don't know. Okay, with this, I'm just like, I don't know. Let's just move on to something else. This is from Seraphine Botanicals, the blush and highlighter brush. And let's see if it's soft. Oh, that is soft. Wow, that is soft. I have a highlighter brush from Real Techniques, which I love, but I do have a blush, like a pink. I separate, okay, I know it sounds stupid, but I separate my pink blushes and my coral, like orange tone blushes or brown tone blushes, whatever, but I kind of separate them into warm tones and cool tones. And I use the Real Techniques blush brush for my cool tones, so my pinks, and I use the little, what's it called, from COS Cosmetics. We received it in a box as well, but I use that one for like orange tones, but it's small and I can't really place it in like my jar of brushes, which is really annoying. And you know what? I'm gonna give this a try because it feels so soft. Actually, what I'm doing right now is really dirty. It's a new brush and I just put it on my hand and I put it on my face. So I'm gonna have zits here. I just know that. But I have zits all over because chocolate. No, but it feels really soft. So let's see in the booklet what it says. Let's see, where are ya? Where are ya? I can't find you. Where are you? Oh, there we go. Okay, so, oh, there are actually 3 different brushes. Okay, so, wait, there are 3 different brushes. So you could get the contour brush, the bluff brush, really, the contour brush, a buff or blend brush, and a blush highlighter brush. That's too much bull or burr to go to, but this is the one for blush and highlighter, and I'm really happy I received this one because the contouring, I'm not really into contouring, as y'all know. The buff and blend brush, I already have that one from Tarte for like my foundation, so I'm really happy with this one. But it does say over here, it just says makeup brush 22 euros. I don't know if they're all like the same price or if it's this particular one that I received 22. I don't think it is because I don't think they make separate like books for these brushes. But anyway, this is that brush and I love it. Okay guys, I'm sorry, but I had to adjust the camera because like the SD card was blinking like crazy, and I had to delete a couple of old videos that I already uploaded a while ago so that I would be able to have some room on the camera. So where were we? The brush, yeah, we were done with that. So moving on, there are 2 more items in here and I need to drink my coffee because I'm thirsty. So good. Okay, let's move on to Dr. Botanicals Are you kidding me? Again, the pomegranate superfood regenerating sleeping mask. Okay, the last one was the pomegranate face oil, if I'm not mistaken. This is not an oil, thank goodness. But this is the pomegranate superfood regenerating sleeping mask. I love masks and the whole sleeping mask. Wow, y'all are not able to see anything, are you? Like, I'm trying to put it like, I don't know if you guys are able to see this. Oh my God, I am so sorry. I have to figure something out with the camera, but basically this is it. Let's see in the booklet what it says about this little fella. Come on. Okay. It's right here. It costs 13 euros and there is 30 milliliters in here, so that's not really a lot. That's actually not a lot at all. Is this a full size? Like, I'm starting to doubt whether or not Styletone actually is a full size or not. I don't know. I just feel like this, look at how small this is. I just don't feel like that is an actual full size. I'm sorry, I just don't. Might just be me. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong. Feel free to do that, of course, because I don't want to, you know, shade a company if there's no shade necessary, clearly. But I don't know. Sometimes I just have my doubts. Okay. So a sleeping mask. Oh, it's sealed. Can't really smell anything. No, it's sealed. I'm gonna leave it sealed because I have 3 sleeping masks open. No, I'm like, oh my god, I have a Dior one as well. So that will be 4 masks opened already. So I really need to finish those before I open up this one. But I'm really happy with that because y'all know I love me some masks. I feel like every single item except for the brush has been like a mask type of an item. Like this is an actual sleeping mask, but these are like patches, you know, and the whole body mud. I feel like it's kind of a mask for your body. I don't know. I love it. I really enjoy this. Okay, so moving on to the last item, which is Bang. Wow. Okay, Bang Beauty. Okay, black. That's that. It's Bang Beauty and it's black. So this is a little container. Okay, it's useless showing you guys something here. Let's see on the inside. Oh. Okay, that is thin. Okay, but I still have no idea what this is. Precision tip liner. Oh, it's a black liner. Oh, as y'all know, is this like, wait. Is this a pencil liner or is this a liquid liner? And it's actually sealed, and with my thick ass gel nails, I'm not able to open stuff, so that's really annoying. Come on there. Yeah, you guys are gonna have to give me a minute. Okay, y'all, do you know what I actually don't understand about these companies? It's like, it comes in a box. Why do you seal it with a seal that is so hard to find an opening in, and that is just, look how freaking small this thing is. Like, it's really hard to actually get it out of the seal the way I should. It's just annoying. Like, I understand safety precaution, blah, blah, but if it's already in the box, like, why? Wow, look, I opened it. Like, I legit opened it, but it's not coming off. Finally, wow. It only took me about 5 minutes. Okay, so, oh, it's a liquid liner. So let's see if it bleeds or not, because that's a kind of the ultimate test for me, is to see if something starts bleeding or not. So clearly, I think y'all could see that line, right? Because I want to show you guys like what it looks like, but it's literally like a freaking mirror. Like, look at that. The wand is like a freaking mirror. It doesn't bleed. Okay, that's like a positive. Wow. Hey, and it stays put. Wow. Oh, and my finger isn't smudged. That's really good. I don't know. As y'all know, I don't like this kind of stuff. But you know what? I'm going to give it a try tomorrow because the liner that I have on today, oh, by the way, is ruined. I know, let's just not even start about talking about that. Because the thing is, I had trouble with the liner today, and for the reason that that liner is pretty much out. It was done for. And yeah, I tried to make it work, and the longer you work on liner, the worse it gets, trust me. So we're not going to talk about this whole situation, okay? Okay, so I'm going to give this a try tomorrow, and now let's see in the booklet how much it costs. It's over here. It costs 20 euros. Wow, that's a lot of money. Like, my eyeliner, the liquid one that I have, is literally like $2, $2.50 maybe in the drugstore from Essence. It's the best freaking liner because it stays put all of the time. So it's the best liner, but what the? Okay, seriously, there's a step-by-step plan about how to apply this. Is this a special thing or something? Oh, no, okay. I was like, what the hell? Is this a special step program or something? No, but basically they're explaining to kids, I should say kids really, that have never used liner, I guess, how to apply liner. So that's pretty cool that they want to help you out with that, right? Okay, guys, that was it. What's in this January box? As y'all know, I mentioned this in the Look Fantastic unboxing. January boxes usually stand for everything to do with health, with beauty from within, you know, with the whole fit thing this month, which I hate. But I will say I really enjoyed this month's box. I love the fact there's a mask in here. Like I said, basically kind of masks for your body, whatever. I really enjoyed this brush and I cannot wait to try it. And this thing, it's really, I love the look of this. Like the slim fit, the tiny, how can I say, it's really tiny if you compare it. I don't know the working just yet. I did see some amazing results on my hand. So, you know, so far so good. And I'm going to try it out tomorrow. So honestly, out of all of the items, I'm going to use every single thing. I am extremely pleased this month and I'm happy for that because, like I said, the Styletone box did up their price. This box was totally worth it. I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching. Now that I have a new table, like I said, we're going to have to figure something out with filming because I do realize that this isn't ideal anymore. I don't know. We're going to have to see what we're going to do here. I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys thought about the box this month. I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!